Hello, welcome to my shop again. I'm going to do a little Tuesday tip here. I'm working on a square edge bowl here with a very shallow arc to it, a nice flowing line, and so I'm going to evaluate that line with a straight edge, a ruler, and I'm going to use Cindy's little light behind it so I can see. And if you can see, there's a little hump towards the middle of the bowl and a flat spot right there at the edge of the bowl. So now I'm going to work on that little hump and refine that line, but evaluate it with a bright light and a straight edge, and I can make a very, very clean line from the top to the bottom of the bowl. See you next time.